Are you an immigrant to the United States? If so, you quickly learn that we have a financial system that's probably a little bit different than what you had at home. In America, it's not all about just cash, but credit is a huge pain point. And there's the catch-22 to credit, and that if you don't have it, it's really hard to get it. One of the very first things that people do when they come to America from any country is they actually find a place to live. And they usually rent. And to do things as simple as buy a car, buy a home, get a credit card, all require credit. Thankfully in America, we've evolved over the last few decades, and in the last 6 years, this thing called rental Kharma has come along to help anyone that pays their rent report their rental payment history onto their credit report to quickly establish good credit. At Rental Kharma, we've helped over 62,000 families in the last 5 years. To learn more, simply visit rentalkharma.com. Please go read a bunch of the reviews that people leave about their stories and how we help them. Or even better, just call one of our teammates and have them walk you through the simple process of getting your rent added to your credit report.